Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be taking a look at this propagation station. Now, one thing that I did like was the natural wood, but I do have to say that it does have very rough edges. And so if you can see right here, some of the wood chipped off. And so it's not such a big deal, especially because of the natural look. But I definitely wanted to mention that there are a lot of small little imperfections. And so that is something to consider. Now the glass on these little vials is super thick and they feel robust, so I really don't have any reason to believe that these might break because they're definitely super strong. On the bottom there will be an LED strip, and so as you can see here in the back we do have the ability to plug this into the light. It will come with a cable, so all you're going to do is plug in this USB Type-C into the port, place your vials into the slot, connect the other side to a power source, and then we have a super nice yellowish tint, which is really going to look great in any setup. And so overall, like I said, there are a couple of rough edges when it comes to the wood, but if you can overlook the rough edges, I think this plant propagation station is a great option for any setup.